ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. But what does that mean? The simplest way to define ERP is to think about all the core processes needed to run a company: finance, manufacturing, HR, supply chain, distribution, service, procurement, and others. At its most basic level, ERP integrates all these processes into a single system. The signature feature of an ERP system is it helps to manage a company using a single software package rather than going for multiple software for different departments. For example, earlier businesses using an software for accounts, another software for purchase, then another one for sales. This makes their life difficult as there is no consolidation available between these departments. ERP is a kind of software system that helps you to run your entire business, including processes in finance, manufacturing, supply chain, services, procurement, and more. Computerized business applications were born in the accounting and finance world in 1960s. In the 1970s, Material Requirement Planning (MRP) utilizes the software applications for scheduling the production processes. In the mid of 1980s, competition in the manufacturing sector was exploding and MRP2 was introduced, which helps manufacturing industries from planning and scheduling to inventory control and product distribution. ERP software are introduced near the end of 1990s. ERP saving a wide range of industries by combining MRP2, finance and accounting, sales and purchase. In the 21st century, internet became very popular and fast. New development tools again revolutionized ERP suites. The introduction of browser-based software paved the way for cloud ERP, a breakthrough that has expanded both the range and functionalities of ERP solutions. Today, in the era of digital transformation, businesses are increasingly rely on artificial intelligence and other innovations to automate their business processes and stay competitive. In this context, ERP plays a major role. Sage ERP X3, also known as Sage Enterprise Management, is a best ERP solution for small and medium organizations. Sage X3 has the capabilities to manage finance, sales, purchase, CRM, inventory, and manufacturing businesses of an organization within a single database. Latest version of Sage also has sophisticated project management and business intelligence modules. Sage X3 uses all over the world on different verticals. In addition, a variety of industry specific solutions available locally, including food and beverage, agriculture and farming, chemicals, pharmaceuticals, wine sales, and many more.
Sage X3 helps to complete a business process cycle faster and more efficient way. It also helps faster inventory management, faster customer response time, and faster insight into cost and performance. Sage X3 is best suited for intuitive management of distributed operations, easier access to data and collaboration, and simpler IT management.
Sage is used in over 80 plus countries, including America, Europe, Africa, and Middle East. Sage first version V1.0 was first launched in Europe. Sage X3 now boasts 6.5 lakh users with more than 70% of customers representing manufacturing and distribution sectors.
Sage X3 Finance covers financial accounting, receivable and payable, cost accounting, budget accounting, commitments, and fixed assets. It can also handle transfers and reporting of information from one country to another and between subsidiaries and their headquarters. The flexible accounting structure, multi ledger, multi chart of accounts, guarantees a real time global vision while responding to local operational requirements. Sage X3 supports all of the planning, scheduling, and production control activities for either process or discrete manufacturing, which adapts to different manufacturing modes, including make to order, configure to order, assemble to order, make to stock, and mixed mode environments. The manufacturing module is fully integrated with the sales, CRM, purchasing, inventory, and finance components.
Sales management is part of the distribution software module that supports all sales, CRM, pricing, quotes and contracts, order entry, item configurator, inventory allocation, delivery scheduling and shipping, invoicing, customer returns, and sales commission. Purchasing module in X3 includes purchase request, encumbrance accounting, request for proposal, purchase orders, subcontracting, multi level approval processes, and contracts.
Inventory management is part of the distribution software module that support inventory control function, including features to support inventory tracking, quality control, load control and tracking, expiration date management, and variable packaging units. Multi-level warehousing and location management, movements and transactions, RF data collection, material costing, physical counting, and replenishment.
Sage X3 is built around technically advanced Safe X3 platform. Safe X3 allows X3 applications to run on different operating systems with different databases in a single source code in integrated development platform.
The main advantage of Safe X3 platform is which enables the system easier to use, customize and administer. The platform consists of three levels. First level is servers, which consist of application tools such as web application server, batch server, etc. The second level is clients, which includes our web browser. Then the next level is products, which consists of our Sage X3, Sage People, and other products. Folder is the highest unit in X3. A folder can contain many companies. Now you are little familiar with what is Sage X3 and how it helps businesses to operate more efficiently. Now it's time to log in and take a look around. Sage X3 is a browser-based software and you can use any web browser to access the application. Once you open the application, the login screen will display. Your system administrator will provide you login information and you can access Sage X3 from your computer. After you log in into the application, in the top header section, you can see your name. There you will get different options like My Profile, Logout, etc. Just after your name, you can also see the Home button and Favorites menu. Just below the header section, you can see the menu bar. Based on your role, you can see different menus here. I am logged in as a super administrator role and hence I can access all modules. In the left section, you can see different profiles such as data administrator, chief accountant, sales executive, etc. This is called default landing page. Your default landing page is based on your role and responsibility. Landing page is a kind of dashboard. It displays information related to your job and task. Let's explore Chief Accountant landing page. In the top, you can see two different tabs. One is key information and another one is business process. In the key information, you can see reports and performance dashboard. While in the business process, you can see your day-to-day task which you need to complete. This gives you an easy to understand process flow diagram to access those functions in the application. For example, the chief accountant want to see what are the accounting setup in the application. Select the accounting setup landing page. There you can see different setups related to accounting such as journals, chart of account, dimensions, ledgers and currency exchange rates. If you are a system administrator, then you can check out the system administrator landing page, which will help you to set up different modules in the system. For example, in the common data section, you can see user declaration where you can create new users and control their permissions. To return to your home landing page and close any window at any time, select the Sage logo in the upper left corner. I hope you understood what is ERP and Sage X3. If you want to learn more about Sage X3 Functional, then you can check out my course at Udemy. To go to my course, search on Google Udemy, then open the Udemy website. There you can search Sage X3. Then you can see my course, Complete Sage X3 ERP Functional Course for Beginners to Pro. With this course, you can learn more about Sage X3 and all the functionalities. Then you can do a sample implementation of Sage X3 with me in this course. I will give you the link of the course in the description and also a coupon code. With that coupon code, you can get this course with a discounted price. Thank you very much for watching. Take care. Bye.